guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today I filmed I did a review and I did this look using the Norvina palette that I literally just got in mail today. This is the palette right here. So if you want to see how I achieved this look and how I feel about this palette, keep on watching.
Rolling, shining, that mean it's fast again. Shorty play your position, we don't dance together. She don't dance, but she dance for me. She ain't even trying to get it past. Dancing, dancing. I be flipping yells, but I'm dancing. I still live for dance when you dancing. I just said it good, it's all dance.
Okay guys, I just wanted to let you know that I'm using my Ulta Full Coverage Liquid Concealer in the color Light Warm. This is my favorite all-time concealer and they always have deals on this on Ulta. Okay, so the first color I'm going to use is probably Eccentric, this right here. And then I'm probably just going to just get into doing the look and just play music because I like to listen to music while doing makeup. But I am going to be showing you guys the shades I'm going to be using. So I put on the color, this color like kind of above my crease using the Juvia's Place. This is the crease brush in the pack. And I also use my e.l.f. brush to, you know, cover up the concealer. And I use that using, And I use this brush using, to cover up the concealer, I use the color Eccentric, which is this shade right here. So after I put both those shades on there, I went in with my e.l.f. brush, the E9. I used this brush to blend these two shades together. And after I blended it, I went back in with Soul to, you know, make the color pop more. And then I also went back in with Eccentric so that the color can show at the top as well. Sorry about the lighting, guys. So next I am about to go in with Passion, which is this shade. I'm going to go in using my Sephora eye enhancer brush. So yeah. Okay, as you can see, I added the color Passion like inside of my crease. Now I'm just gonna go in with a small blending brush so that there's no harsh lines. I'm going to go in using my Morphe M506 brush to blend so that I won't have any harsh lines. I'm going to go in real light. Now I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics brush I got in the set. I think I wanna put a little bit like drama on the edge so I can darken it up real quick. With passion, I'm gonna add passion to the inner part and like kind of sway it inwards. Go in with my Morphe. It does not say what type of brush this is, but I'm just gonna go in and like kind of just, you know, clean up everything. Make sure these edges right here are not. Brush, I want to kind of like go into passion and kind of like line up this part. I want to see how that turns out. As you can see, I kind of went over the line, so I am gonna go back in, you know, and blend that. Hey guys, okay, I finished my look finally after I had to redo it twice now. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly the makeup look. So hopefully you guys like it. Like I said, I am, you know, new to doing all this cut creasing, so I'm not afraid to start over because, you know, I want to perfect this. So I did this whole entire look using the Norvina. Ooh, almost dropped the baby. The Norvina palette. As you can see, it's already got dirty, and I just used today. And this is how it looks now. Okay, so let's jump into my thoughts on the palette, and then we'll get into some other fun stuff. So the shimmers, I do not want to swatch these because they're kind of a little too soft. When I was digging my brush into it, like it's like kind of mushy to where like it's kind of easy for it to fall out. So I know there's other swatch videos, so I'm not gonna really swatch this. I'm scared of losing product. But the mattes are very pigmented. Like, I am surprised that these pale colors showed up so well on my skin tone. I was in shock. I was like, wow, they show up really nice on my skin tone. The Soul color looks exactly like how it looks in the pan. The rose gold, I really like the rose gold. It's like a pinkish mauve type rose gold. And the color Passion, I love that color. That is a beautiful color. I have that right here, and you know, you saw the tutorial. Not the tutorial, but the gist. So I am really happy that I got this palette. I am totally in love with this palette. I don't have the soft glam. As I was doing my makeup, I realized that I went out and bought the Bad Habit dupe to it. I am really thinking that I'm gonna go get the soft glam because these blended so good together. It blended so good together. So I want to go out and buy the soft glam also. I highly recommend this palette for dark skin. This palette is very good. Like, I highly recommend this to everybody. So yeah, that's the A+ for me. Oh, my lighting, can never get it right. So yeah, that's the A+. Also, what I have on my lips, I have the Jordana Mocha Malted Chocolate Cake. I have that, as I outline my lips with that. And in the center of my lips, in the middle, I use the Black Radiance Lip Matte Cream. There is a number 5403. There's no name. And then on top of it, I put like a liquid, it's like a gloss lipstick in the Dressy New York. That's what that is. This is the color. Oh, it doesn't say what color this is, but it's like a mauve color. I put that over this shade, just in case you guys wanted to know. Dang, you know, I should have highlighted with this. Instead, I did my highlight using I used this. Sorry. I use this to highlight. I use the shade, this color right here. This brand is really nice. It's like, it's a real nice brand to have. And also, what else? That is about it, guys. Also, if you're interested in knowing what type of hair this is, I will link the video to this hair. Let me stand up and show you guys, because it's bomb.com. This is how long it is. This is how long it is in the back. And as you can see, it's like layered. It's like it's called a jagged edge cut. To me, basically, boo-boo, it's layered. And this is a synthetic hair. And as you can see, it has a natural shine to it. So if you want to see, if you want to know my thoughts on this wig and what wig this is, I'll have the video linked in the description box. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to know any more, if you want to see any more of my review, wig reviews, makeup reviews, and my hauls, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell. Once you hit the bell, you'll be notified on when I upload. So thanks so much. So guys, bye.